Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. On this video, let's talk about iOS 26 full feature list exposed. So what all the iPhones can do. Now I did this list in comparison with iPhone 26 or iOS 26, in comparison with older phones. Just before we started, just a disclaimer, iOS 26 only works for iPhone 11 and above. So iPhone XR and below will not work for this one. So first thing would be spatial scenes or liquid designs. So iOS 26 introduces special scenes, a new animated wallpaper system with liquid-like designs that move and shift as you tilt on your Move or iPhone. I just want to highlight that one. Your live wallpaper right now, your phone, on your images on your phone, will move and shift as you tilt your iPhone. That's going to be the first thing and actually the highlight of iOS 26. So how to use it, basically go to settings, wallpaper and add a new wallpaper, tap on spatial scenes, and choose from the several liquid designs like wave, liquid metal, fluid color splashes, and the works. And by the way guys, what older iPhones can do is that devices below the A16 chip do not support spatial scenes. That would be XR and below. And basically the older models will appear to have static images without the live shifting effect. And secondly, on-screen visual intelligence, the new update also that the new iOS 26 versus the old iPhones cannot do. So what is it? This feature uses on-device AI to analyze what's on your screen and provide smart actions. Are you familiar with Google's Lens? It's the same thing. You can take screenshots on whatever you're watching, and iOS 26 will analyze it depending on what you want. For example, you can tap phone numbers to call or add to contacts, tap addresses to open them in maps, initialize or instantly summarize articles or textbooks or the works. Now how to use it. So basically open a photo, note, web page, or whatever you have on your screen. Look for visual lookup or actions. That would be a little sparker or info symbol. And tap the icon and see smart suggestions. Basically you can choose actions like translate text, call numbers, shop for items online, or add events to calendar. So this is going to be what they can do for real-time real visual intelligence. That would be a 17 and above. Third one, Live Translate. So basically a new mode in iOS 26 that allows real-time translation of spoken conversations. Now that's really amazing. You have an interpreter all the way 24/7. So works across apps Siri, Safari, Messages, FaceTime, and even YouTube or streaming applications via live text. So how to use it? Open Translate app, translate option that pops on your screen. Speak into your iPhone and point the camera or text that you want to translate. Basically, that's how it works. That's really awesome. Well, anyway, that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.